Today's question comes from, well, actually nobody asked this question, but you should have. We're in our mechanical room here in the building, and this is probably typical of most job sites. There's 3 panels on the wall, but yet we don't know who installed this control system. We don't have their identity. You install projects today, and none of the products have your name or brand on them. So how does someone know that the system was put in by your company? You've got engineers and architects and building owners walking through buildings that you've put the controls in, and you don't leave your identity behind usually. We came across a label, a nameplate, that we think would be ideal for you to consider for branding your company or leaving your mark behind on a project. This product's made by a company called The Cutting Edge, and it's a laser engraved stainless steel, brushed stainless steel plate that adheres permanently with sticky back tape that comes on the label. I think it's a good opportunity to use the label for 2 functions. One, it's a signal to let your control technician know that this panel's been commissioned and ready to go, and let your customer know who your identity is. Your control technician would adhere the label to the panel and leave your name behind. You could put a cheap label on there, a Bakelite label or a decal, but this leaves a mark of quality. You can find them on our website under nameplates. And I think it's a good idea to consider using these. I think it's a good way to get your name out there.